Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2020 chemistry past question 16, whose experiments show that the atom has a tiny positively charged nucleus. A. Thomson, B. Rutherford, C. Millikan, and D. Dalton. Now, J.J. Thomson was the first scientist to discover that nucleus has a tiny positively charged. That is, he's the first person that determines that atoms has a tiny positively charged nucleus. Then Rutherford, together with his team of medicine and Geiger Müller, then discovered the contents of this nucleus. They made out experiments and further discovered that the nucleus is made up of the proton and also neutral particles. Then R.A. Millikan then discovered the charge of electron. Then Dalton is a scientist that deduced the atomic theory. But the scientist that showed that atom has a tiny positively charged nucleus is J.J. Thomson, which is option A. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.